bake-off challenge. We've reached round 20, Brazil. Now this week I was going to make a coconut cake, but when I looked at the recipe, the method and the ingredients were pretty much the same as the Mexican cake, which involved pouring 3 different kinds of milk over the cake after it had cooked. So I thought, oh, better not do that one because it's just the same. So I had another look around and I have found a recipe for a cake called a Bolo de Fuba, which is pretty much just a polenta cake. So that is what I am going to make this week. So without further ado, let's get cooking! So the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 180 degrees centigrade, gas mark 4 or 160 degrees if you have a fan oven. You then need to take a tin, either a loaf tin, a big round tin, or one of those Bund tins, which are the ring pans, and you need to grease and flour them and set them aside. Next, you need to place all the ingredients into a big bowl in the following order. So the first ingredient you need to add is milk. You need to add 2 cups, that's 16.5 ounces or 468 grams. Next, you need to add corn oil. If you don't have corn oil, you can use sunflower oil. You need to add 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, or 226 grams. Next, you need to add 3 eggs. Next, you need to add 1.5 cups of caster sugar. 1.5 cups is 10.9 ounces, or 309 grams. Next, add 2 cups of polenta flour or fine grain polenta. 2 cups is 9.5 ounces, which is 269 grams. Finally, add half a cup of plain flour. Half a cup is 4.8 ounces, which is 136 grams. With all the ingredients added, all you need to do is whiz it up for 30 to 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, the last thing to do is add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and whiz it up for another 15 seconds. Then simply pour into your prepared tin and pop it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick or a skewer comes out clean.